If you love watermelon like most of us do here and across the world, then listen carefully. This fruit you enjoy is not just sweet. It is powerful medicine from nature. When you understand the blessings hidden inside watermelon, you will appreciate it more and eat it with joy. You see, our bodies are mostly water, and the cells need that water to stay alive and strong. Watermelon is about 90% water. That means when you eat it, you are hydrating your body. And not only that, it is very light in calories, so you can eat plenty without worrying. Inside, it carries potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and the one that many people don't know about, lycopene. Here's a surprising fact for you. Watermelon, not tomatoes, is the unsung hero when it comes to lycopene. It contains about 40% more of this mighty antioxidant than raw tomatoes. This is a blessing for your eyes, as lycopene helps prevent cataracts, slows down macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in old age, and even aids in relieving dry eyes. For the men listening, pay attention. As we grow older, the prostate can become big and cause trouble, difficulty passing urine, inflammation, even cancer. Lycopene in watermelon can reduce that swelling, calm the inflammation, and lower PSA levels in the blood. That is good news for our health. But it doesn't stop there. Watermelon is also a friend to the heart. It lowers the bad cholesterol we call LDL, which clogs the arteries, and it raises the good cholesterol, HDL, which clears out those blockages and sends them to the liver to be removed. That means less chance of heart attack or stroke. And here's the part that amazes me most. The rind, the white part we normally throw away, is full of an amino acid called citrulline. This citrulline changes into arginine inside the body, and together they form nitric oxide. What does that do? It opens the blood vessels, lets the blood flow freely, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the stress on your heart. Your organs get more oxygen, your circulation improves, and your body feels lighter. So next time you cut your watermelon, don't waste that white part. Chop it, blend it in your smoothie, and drink it. That is where plenty of the power is hiding. If you're on a weight loss journey, watermelon is your ally. Its high water content, low calorie count, and arginine-boosting properties make it a fat-burning powerhouse. By keeping you full, hydrated, and energized, watermelon makes your weight loss journey a little easier. And for your skin, watermelon is a game changer. It fights free radicals, reduces wrinkles, and keeps your skin firm and fresh. The vitamins A, C, and E, along with the water and collagen support, will make you look and feel younger. So next time you indulge in watermelon, know that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your skin a healthy boost. So my people, do not take watermelon for granted. It is a blessing from God to the body. Eat it often, share it with your friends and family, and your body will surely thank you.